Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, this is Mustafa Tahir and I'm back with another video, and in this video we are going to see how we can parse a local JSON file in Flutter. So for that you need to create a new JSON file as I have created under my project structure assets package, and under that I have created a test file.json, and under this file I have written a JSON structured code which has a list of two users, and in the pubspec.yaml file I have initialized this assets and I have already ran this application. So let's see how we can parse this JSON structure. So at first we need to create a model class for our users, and you can use any JSON to Dart converter plugin or use a third-party package. But if you ask me that what I choose, so I prefer quick type. Move to this quick file and copy this JSON structure, paste it here, and it will give you the structured code, the structured model. Copy this code, make sure to pass a name and create a new Dart file as named as users model, and copy this whole code. Since my project consists of null safety, I have to modify a little bit, and now our basic structure is ready. Now we just need to do two things. One is creating a method and the presentation stuff. So come to this test widget and create a new method future, and in this case it's a list of users, all users. Now to parse a local string file, we need to make use of a root bundle. Root bundle basically is a type of assets bundle which you use for the local files. So for that, response and make use of root bundle, which is part of the services package, and use load string and pass the file path. In my case it's assets and test file.json, and just test that if its response is not empty, then simply return. And in the model we already have this method users from JSON, which is pre-structured and already encoded JSON. So just return this method users from JSON and just pass your response, and if it is not, then simply return a empty list. So we are done with the function 2. Now it's time to just parse this. So in the body I will simply remove the center, and instead I will use a future builder since it's asynchronous, and in the future I will define this function. Come to the builder. First property is context and second one is the async snapshot. Async snapshot, define the type, list of users, snapshot. Simply check that if our snapshot dot connection state equals connection state dot waiting, if our data getting loaded, then simply return circular progress indicator. Otherwise, return the data. List view, I'll make use of list view dot builder. First define the item count, which we will get from this snapshot dot data dot length. Define item builder, which takes context and the particular index. Simply get the list of users as dot data dot users value of user count. Sorry. Now return let's say a card widget and list style, and under the title property I will use name. Restart the app. Let's see what we get. So yes, we are getting the data. So here guys, I will wind up this video, and if you like this stuff, then you can click on that like button and be sure to subscribe to this channel if you like the content. And guys, I'm open to your responses. Please let me know that what else can be improved in this video and as well as the series. And as you guys will tell me, I will inshallah try to improve my content as much as I can. And take good care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for supporting me. And take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.